This is Bill Fisher and Greg Weiss with Pacific Floor Care. Your new AM15 has just arrived. We're going to show you how to unbox the machines and then install them. You're going to tilt the machine down and simply wheel it out. This is your tank unit. Comes in one box, 52 pounds. Then we're going to take our compressor, which is 46 pounds. The 2-box configuration would fit on a pallet. There's 4 complete units, complete sets that will come on a pallet. Okay, what you're going to do as far as insetting the compressor into the machine, you'll notice there's 4 inserts here. Greg and I, we're going to line it up like so. Then what you're going to do is, if you have a little bit of air in the tank, you're going to want to bleed that out so that you can now connect your hose here with a quick disconnect. That's all there is to the installation of the machine once it arrives to your facility. All right, the AM15 mister, which is a air-assisted mister. The pump inside here is generating off of the compressed air from the compressor. The back of the machine right here, the machine is constructed of roto-molded, very sturdy roto-molded, so it's a very, very durable machine. Your back wheels are big back wheels for transport. All right, on the back here, the back panel, it's easy access to your pump, which, if you'll notice here, is held in, and it's a quick air-driven pump. Then you have your filter, which is right here that you can clean out. Very easy clean out on the filter. This clear hose that goes down here, being that this is an air-driven pump, if there's any moisture left in here, it will discharge and blow the moisture out and away from the machine. If you'll notice your blue hose here, your air, your compressed air is coming in to this area here. You have a regulator, and then this is where it is an air-driven pump. You can see your air coming in, you could see your solution coming in, and then your solution is exiting here through your red, and your air is circling through this regulator out to your hoses, your coiled hose. So you've got your solution and you got your air all the way to your tool, which then mixes the two and then gives you, through this mechanism right here, your mist at 15 micron. The red is the pre-diluted disinfectant. The blue is the air. So what you do is you have a valve here. The valve right here, going straight across, turns on your airflow. Your solution comes up and through, mixes with your air to give you your mist. Then you'll notice here your blue and your red that are coming into your coiled hose. This coiled hose is 25 feet. You have an option of getting a 100-foot coiled hose. You'll notice right here a flip door. This is your 15-gallon solution tank. You take to your solution center or anywhere where you're mixing your chemicals properly. You put your diluted disinfectant in here and shut the lid, and you're good to go. 15 gallons will give you about 3.5 hours of continuous spray. The power source of the unit with the strain relief right here is a 9-foot cable. Most people will just take the cable and hook it up to an extension cord. This is how you turn on your compressor. You have a cable wrap in the front of the machine, which will store your 9-foot cable. And when you're done using the machine, there may be some condensation that's left in the tank. So what you want to do is at the end of the operation, you have a air bleed out hose right here. It's a very simple hose that you point to the floor and you'll bleed out anything that's in your tank. When you have leftover chemical in your tank and you want to discharge that, what you're going to do is come here, and this is permanent. You'll be able to empty your tank.